Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to bring values in this table using HLOOKUP function from this table. Also, I'll explain you why we have to use row function in HLOOKUP. Let me show you how. Equal to HLOOKUP, press tab, lookup value. This is our lookup value. Freeze the cell, dollar, comma, table array, select the entire table. From here we need data, comma, row index number. From second row we need data, so give 2 here, comma, range lookup. We need exact match here. Select false, close bracket and hit enter. Drag the formula. Here we got only one state value. Reason is here only 2 is there. So instead of changing manually, three, 4, like this, we can use row function here. Row, press tab. We need value from second cell. Select second cell, close the bracket and hit enter. Now drag the formula. Here we got values, second row value, third row value, fourth row value, like this. I'll explain you what row function will do. Row, if you select this cell, it will give you the exact row number of that cell. Hit enter. Drag the formula. You can see the reference. A3, A4. So like this we have got the values. Drag the formula to here as well in this column. Change this to date format. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.